Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make a poll on Discord. First of all, open up the Discord on your laptop or mobile. Now to make a poll on Discord, you simply need to open the Simple Poll. Once you get into Simple Poll, to download this app, click on Invite. It will redirect you to Discord. Now invite this bot to your server. Select the server and click to continue and authorize. After that, tick the box to confirm that you're human. And now you have successfully created a bot into your server. Now simply just type /poll and then you can write your question, whatever you want to ask. Click enter to send the question. Once you send your question, people can vote using these emojis here. Using emojis is the only way to make polls on Discord. This is how you can make a poll on Discord. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.